So good morning 8th standard students. This is the second video of the lesson direct and indirect speech. So in this video we are going to discuss and talk about something in detail about the lesson. So what we have studied in the first video, let's quickly revise. When we quote the speaker's actual word, it is called direct speech. Example, Mahesh said, I'm an active boy. Garima said, I'm not lazy. Indirect speech, when we don't quote the speaker's actual words, but tell them in our own words, it is called indirect speech. Example, Mahesh said that he was busy. Tina said that she was not free. She asked if I was a teacher. So both the speeches, what we can focus children, direct speech or indirect speech, that the meaning is not changing if the sentences are reported. Okay, the meaning is not changing, okay, when the sentences are reported. That we have to focus. So what are the rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech? Number 1, when the reporting verb is in present or future tense, the tense of reported speech is not changed. First of all, you can ask the question that, sir, what is reporting verb and what is reported speech? So the words which you can see before the comma, Pankaj says, yes, before comma it is written Pankaj says. So that is only called reporting verb. After comma, that is called reported speech, which is coming under double inverted comma. And what is written there? I am a student. So I am a student is example of reported speech. Now, first point we have to remember is, when the reporting verb is in present or future tense, the tense of reported speech is not changed. The tense of reported speech is not changed. Example, Pankaj says, I am a student. Pankaj says that he is a student. Tarun says, Nilesh is very poor. Tarun says that Nilesh is very poor. So the tense is not changed. Why the tense is not changed? Because the reporting verb is in present or future tense. So whenever we have to change the direct speech into indirect speech, first of all we will check the reporting verb, that is in the past tense, present tense or future tense. If it is in present tense and future tense, then reported speech tense will not change. But if it is in the past tense, then it will change. And how it will change? We will see that. Some more example we can learn here. The principal will say, this is future tense, simple future tense. The principal will say, tomorrow is a holiday. The principal will say that tomorrow is a holiday. Manvi says, Sakshi will write a story. Manvi says that Sakshi will write a story. So the tense is not changing, and the reason is the words before comma, they are in present tense or they are in future tense. In that case only, the word after comma, the tense of that words don't change, which is called reporting verb and reported speech. Okay, the word before comma, they are called reporting verb. Manvi says, that is reporting verb. Sakshi will write a story. This is reported speech. Okay. So I think you all have understood here. If you have not understood, then you can pause the video also, children, and you can note down the important points. Second point now we can discuss. If the reporting verb is in past tense, the verb in the reported speech is changed into past tense as shown in the table below. So below means the next slide we will see. Direct speech, indirect speech. Example, Mahak said, this is a good painting. So in the past it will become Mahak said that was a good painting. So is will become was. When before comma the word is in the past tense. Present continuous, you see, Rohan said, I'm waiting for Richa. Rohan said that he was waiting for Richa. Okay. So present tense it is changing into past. Simple present is changing into simple past. Present continuous is changing into past continuous. Like that we can remember, and like that we can get the idea also. Vena said that she had been reading a novel. So this is past continuous tense. Vena said, I was reading a novel. And this you see, this is changed into past perfect continuous. Vena said that she had been reading a novel. Again I will say, what we have to focus? We have to focus that the tense should not change. Okay. The meaning should not change. Tense should not change in which case? Tense should not change when the reporting verb is in the present tense or future tense. And meaning should not change in which case? In all the cases. The meaning should not change. So again we can see direct speech. He said the earth rotates around the sun. Indirect speech, he said that the earth rotates around the sun. The Guru told that God is one. The teacher said India got freedom in 1947. The teacher said that India got freedom in 1947. Our principal said man is mortal. Our principal said that man is mortal. So all this example we can see, children, we can learn that how we have to change the sentences, transform the sentences from direct speech to indirect speech. In the examination, which type of question used to come? If it is 8th standard examination or 10th standard examination, okay, or maybe any other competitive examination, you are sitting in future, children. So direct speech to indirect speech or indirect speech to direct speech, how we are transforming the sentences, on that only the question will be asked. So no definitions like that here the question used to come. The question used to come only that we are able to change the sentences correctly or not. So how to find out the sentences are correctly changed? The meaning and sense should not change. If the meaning and change is not changing, then the sentence is changed correctly. So once again we can see the example. He said the earth rotates around the sun. So you see the reporting verb he said, this is written in which tense? Said is past tense, right? So the earth rotates around the sun. This is universal truth. So universal truth we cannot change. So here also it will come. He said that the earth rotates around the sun, right? So like this some exceptions are also there which we have to follow, children. Okay, keep studying. Thank you all children for listening. Okay, have a good day.